Hey there, tech enthusiasts! In this video, we're comparing two top contenders in the world of mesh Wi-Fi systems: the NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco AX 5400. Make sure to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to coverage, both these mesh Wi-Fi systems offer impressive range. The NETGEAR Nighthawk system covers up to 4,500 square featuring and connects up to 25 devices, while the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 system can cover up to 7,200 square featuring and connect up to 200 devices. That's a significant jump in coverage and device capacity, making the Deco AX 5400 the winner in this category. Both the NETGEAR Nighthawk and the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 offer advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, but the Deco AX 5400 goes a step further with its Wi-Fi 6E tri-band mesh Wi-Fi, which includes a brand new 6 GHz band. This allows for speeds of up to 5,400 Mbps, making it the clear winner in this category. The NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi system is compatible with any internet service provider up to 1 Gbps, while the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 works with all internet service providers but requires a modem for most. In terms of connectivity, the Nighthawk has 2 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports in the router and satellites, while the Deco AX 5400 has a 2.5 Gbps port and 2 gigabit ports per unit. Overall, both products are quite compatible, but the Nighthawk edges ahead with its wider range of compatibility. Setting up these mesh Wi-Fi systems is quite easy with the Nighthawk app for the Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi system and the Deco app for the TP-Link Deco AX 5400. However, the TP-Link Deco app offers a little more, with features like Alexa compatibility and TP-Link Home Shield, which includes network and IoT protection, parental controls, and more. The Deco app edges out the competition in this category. In addition to the above features, the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 also offers a powerful dedicated backhaul, eye-driven mesh technology, and the Home Shield Pro paid service for extra protections. The NETGEAR Nighthawk system has a few notable features as well, including NETGEAR Armor for automatic security across all devices and NETGEAR Smart Parental Controls. Ultimately, the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 offers a few more advanced features. So there you have it, a detailed comparison of the NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco AX 5400. Both products offer impressive features, but the Deco AX 5400 takes the lead with its advanced technology and additional features. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.